I'd like to introduce you this time to Pat, who's going to do he's going to do a solo song this time. And Pat can tell you more about it. Pat Costello, folks. Thank you.
So, thank you, Thomas. This particular song I first heard from a school teacher down in Featherton, County Tipperary. Does anybody know any Tipperary people here, no? No Tipperary people. There's no gathering anywhere that would be complete without some Tipperary. It's a slightly sad song because this year we have two songs in the program tonight that are commemorating a little bit of history that's happening this particular year. But this song is a translation from two Irish songs, one that goes back as far as about 1720, I think, 1730, which deals with an infamous jail down in Clonmel in County Tipperary. And this particular song is about a young boy that was imprisoned, and he's lamenting the fact that he can't be out chasing the hurling ball and going to dances with the girls because he's waiting to be hanged. That should put you all into excellent humour, I suspect. How sad is my tale now, and deep my repining, for the long rope of death for this young neck is twining. All my grave is out late now, both along cold and shallow, while I wait in these chains, in this jail in Clonmala. No boy in the village was ever yet milder. I'd play with a child and me sport be no wilder. I would dance without tiring from morning till evening, and me gold ball I'd strike to the lightning of heaven. At my bed foot decaying, my hurley 'tis lying. Through the boys of the village, oh, my gold ball 'tis flying. My horse stands neglected, amongst the neighbours he'll follow, while I wait in these chains, in this jail of Clonmala. Next Saturday the pattern at home they'll be keeping. Our young active hurlers o'er the field will be sweeping, and the dance of fair maidens sweet evening will hallow, while this heart once so gay will lie cold in Clonmala. Thank you very much.